Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you out in case you have a Whirlpool brand refrigerator freezer and it's giving you an E2 error. What do you need to do to get rid of this error and what is going on? So basically, real simply, is that your freezer has a thermostat in it that tells what the temperature is. And this error means that it's indicating that it's the wrong temperature. So there's a couple things that could be going on here. One, you might have just left the door open for too long and it got too warm in there. Or you could have put like a whole bunch of stuff that needs to freeze in there. And so it's just sensing that it's too warm for too long. And in those cases, you know, you can just wait, close the door and wait it out, or pull out if you've got something hot in there, pull that stuff out, and that should get rid of it. You know, if that doesn't work, then you know, you get into some more potentially problematic things. One is there could be an issue actually with the thermostat, but you might need to have a technician come and look at it. And another thing that could be happening is that there can be ice buildup that is, you know, preventing something from working or preventing something from being measured properly. And really the best way to get rid of that, it's annoying to do it, but it's to do a full defrost. So just unplug it, open the doors, let everything warm up. And because there can be ice in the walls, there can be condensation in the walls that it's impossible to get rid of without doing that. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.